Just period. So that's what we
Hey, bro. Hey, you got plug? Man, nigga, we at Popeyes. We at Popeyes.
So how you gonna get that hair out?
We at Popeyes, nigga.
How you gonna get that out?
Huh?
And who's just not gonna do it?
Nigga, hey, we in the room, my nigga.
And what the fuck is you about to do with that, man?
Hey, we in the room.
You come up here with a wire and you're like,
We in the room,
you
man.
about to stick
Take
it
the
down the
room.
drain. Alright, what are you about to do?
I'm finna fix your shit. Don't you want your shit fixed, nigga?
I never knew you was a plumber.
You said I'm finna fix your shit.
Who key is that? This is mine.
Hey, let me see some of that.
Corey, what's your room number?
146, I think. Let me see.
Dude, this dude.
You got this shit on camera?
What?
You got this on camera?
What?
Yeah.
Okay, you crazy, man. We
What?
I'm gonna show you how to do this, kid. We put our drain this right here one time. You know what I'm saying? Show you how we do this, man. Show you how to do this, son.
This dude, really?
Alright, bro.
Jalen coming?
Hey, hold on. Who is that? You know about to... Nah, dude, come back. No.
You gonna make me stay in the room and shit?
Yes, you got to...
You gonna make him stay?
You gonna make me stay in the room?
So you broke it. I mean, you.
Bro.
Jabari, you messed it up.
I got you. You got it? Bro. What did you saying, man? What the fuck is you doing?
Paranoid. This nigga paranoid. Not
Look at
paranoid.
that man. See, it's working. Hey, we got... Hey, okay.
Hello?
I'm about to fuck this dude
Buy me
up.
some-
What?
This dude, he gonna try and leave.
What?
I'm pretty sure he gonna try and leave.
Well, you say he had to want some cookies up.
You went at the front desk.
Warm up some cookies, remember?
Remember?
Okay.
Well, the rule was only for the front desk.
No, I thought you went to the mall. You didn't buy me nothing.
I didn't know I was supposed to.
Okay.
But you
Got one on my plug.
I never.
always buy me something. That's the rule.
Please don't change
Gotta use the hang down, you know what I'm
It's
saying?
always been the rule.
Well, all of them is unplugged. The thing is, the drain. The drain.
Y'all just started over again.
No, we didn't just start.
Ain't no on the paper.
I'll let you flip it over.
Look at that.
It's this one.
Water draining now, baby.
No, it's not.
That water is going down.
It's always
Me,
been like that,
Corey,
boy.
James.
Jabari.
Yes.
Fuck. So how was I gonna play?
I'm telling
you
you,
to come down here.
this dude just needs to go in and just get the hair out. That's all he had to do from the get-go.
Because I was supposed to be playing in the beginning.
Hey,
Oh,
Good.
well, I
hey,
popped
man.
up.
Do what you gotta do, man.
That's your big blocker hair. I don't think Jabari should have cut his hair. His shit was too thick.
Exactly.
No.
Then he left to go warm some cookies up.
Because it's this little thing.
He thought it was alright. After he done fuck your shit up, he wanna leave.
Exactly. I'm like, dude, no.
Wanna fuck your shit up and leave.
Don't like a black
We
person.
already started,
Come on,
and they
man.
got preoccupied by something.
What the fuck are you doing?
James,
I'm
you
just
got
trying
a
to clean out the
plumber,
Bro, I am a plumber.
And you're
I
sorry.
brought my license. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Look at that shit. It's going down. Look at that. I know what I'm doing.
Let's see what's up.
What's up? Check it out.
I think you should say something.
All right. I got you, baby. Hey, see? I'm in room 144. You know what I'm saying? I'm in room 144. If you need your plumbing done, if you get locked out your bathroom, holler at me. Giant Cutler, room 144.
Did this dude just say locked out your bathroom though?
Yes.